Question 81. Describe a time when you had to implement a new educational technology in your department. What steps did you take to ensure staff buy-in and successful adoption? In my previous role, I introduced a learning management system, LMS, to enhance course delivery. I initiated the process by hosting informational sessions to demonstrate its benefits. I then created a pilot program with a select group of faculty to gather feedback and address concerns. Continuous training sessions were scheduled to build confidence among staff. I also established a support network of early adopters who helped peers navigate the LMS. By fostering an inclusive environment and offering ongoing assistance, we achieved a smooth transition, and faculty engagement increased significantly. Question 82. How do you approach the integration of CCD practices in academic research environments? Integrating CCD in academic research begins with identifying repetitive tasks that can be automated, such as data analysis or report generation. I advocate for using version control systems like Git to track changes in research code and documents. Establishing a continuous integration pipeline ensures that code is automatically tested and validated upon changes. I encourage collaboration by providing training on CCD tools, fostering a culture of shared responsibility for code quality. By integrating these practices, teams can enhance productivity, reduce errors, and maintain high standards in research outputs, ultimately leading to more reliable findings. Question 83. Can you discuss a time you had to troubleshoot a significant technical issue in an academic setting? What was your process? Once, during a critical exam period, our online assessment platform faced severe downtime. I quickly gathered a cross-functional team to diagnose the issue. We began by reviewing server logs and traffic reports to identify bottlenecks. After pinpointing the underlying cause, a sudden spike in user activity leading to resource exhaustion, we implemented temporary load balancing to redistribute traffic. Simultaneously, I communicated transparently with faculty and students about the issue, providing updates on progress. Once resolved, we conducted a post-mortem analysis to enhance our system's resilience. This proactive approach minimized disruption and fostered trust among users. Question 84. How do you ensure that your academic programs remain relevant in a rapidly changing technological landscape? To maintain program relevance, I actively engage with industry stakeholders and alumni to gather insights on emerging trends and skill demands. Regular curriculum reviews, supplemented by feedback from students and faculty, allow us to adapt course content and delivery methods. I also promote interdisciplinary collaborations to incorporate diverse perspectives and skills. Attending academic conferences and workshops keeps me informed about innovations in education technologies. By fostering a culture of continuous improvement and adaptability, we ensure our programs are aligned with current and future workforce needs, ultimately enhancing student preparedness. Question 85. What strategies do you employ to foster a diverse and inclusive academic environment? Fostering diversity and inclusion starts with creating a welcoming atmosphere for all individuals. I implement outreach initiatives aimed at underrepresented groups, ensuring they have access to academic resources and support. I promote diverse hiring practices for faculty and staff to reflect a variety of perspectives in teaching. Additionally, I advocate for inclusive curriculum design that highlights contributions from diverse cultures and backgrounds. Regular training on implicit bias and cultural competency for faculty enhances awareness and sensitivity in interactions with students. By embedding diversity into the fabric of our academic institution, we enrich the educational experience for everyone. Question 86. Describe your experience with cloud technologies in an academic setting. How have you leveraged them for research or education? I have utilized cloud technologies extensively for both research and educational purposes. For research, I migrated our data analysis tools to cloud-based platforms like AWS, enabling researchers to access powerful computing resources without the need for significant local infrastructure. This transition facilitated collaboration across departments and institutions, allowing multiple researchers to work on shared datasets simultaneously. In education, I implemented cloud storage solutions for course materials, making them easily accessible to students and faculty. The scalability of cloud services also ensures we can adjust resources according to demand, enhancing both teaching and research efficiency. Question 87. How do you evaluate the effectiveness of academic programs and initiatives? Evaluating the effectiveness of academic programs involves a multifaceted approach. I utilize quantitative metrics such as graduation rates, course completion rates, and employment statistics of graduates to gauge outcomes. Additionally, I gather qualitative feedback through surveys and focus groups with students and faculty, assessing their experiences and suggestions for improvement. Analyzing this data allows me to identify strengths and areas for enhancement. I also compare our programs against peer institutions to benchmark performance. This continuous evaluation process informs strategic decisions, ensuring that we meet educational goals and respond effectively to stakeholder needs. Question 88. In what ways do you incorporate feedback from students and faculty into program development? Incorporating feedback from both students and faculty is essential for program development. I establish regular communication channels, such as surveys and focus groups, to gather insights about course content and delivery. I encourage faculty to participate in curriculum committees, to voice their perspectives on pedagogical approaches and resource needs. Additionally, I create a feedback loop by sharing how their input has been implemented, fostering a sense of ownership and collaboration. This iterative process not only enhances the curriculum, but also strengthens community ties, ensuring that programs reflect the evolving needs of our academic environment. Question 89. Describe your approach to managing interdisciplinary projects within an academic institution. Managing interdisciplinary projects requires clear communication and collaboration among diverse teams. I start by defining common goals and establishing a project framework that outlines roles and responsibilities for each discipline involved. Regular meetings facilitate open dialogue, allowing team members to share progress and address challenges. I encourage the use of collaborative tools, such as project management software, to track milestones and deliverables. Cultivating an environment of respect and appreciation for each discipline's contributions is crucial. By leveraging the unique expertise of each team member, we can drive innovative solutions and achieve successful outcomes that benefit the broader academic community. Question 90. How do you stay current with advancements in educational technology, and how do you implement these in your work? Staying current with advancements in educational technology involves a proactive approach. I regularly attend workshops, webinars, and conferences focused on EdTech trends. Subscribing to relevant journals and following influential thought leaders on social media keeps me informed about emerging tools and methodologies. I actively network with peers in other institutions to exchange insights and experiences. When a promising technology emerges, I conduct pilot tests to evaluate its effectiveness in our context, gathering feedback from faculty and students. Successful tools are then integrated into our programs with appropriate training and support to ensure effective implementation. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.